It's a blizzard, folks. That is northeastern blizzard. It's not even as bad now as it was earlier. Still not good. And I didn't have to be out there today. I don't have to be back to work until next Monday, so as much as I fucking hate the snow, at least it was good timing for it. We're supposed to get around 8 to 12 inches in this area. That's actually the jackpot zone, and one of them, which I fucking rue. But at least there's certain refreshments. Let's shut ourselves in from the outside world, shall we? Wild growing Mad Dog 2020 Orange Jubilee flavor growing in the snow on my deck. What are the odds? Oh, this has been sitting in my fridge for about 3 weeks. 3 weeks or so. Bought it a while back.
Hi, Boo.
Hello.
I'm working.
You're drinking the wrong kind of wine there. You want to drink the delicious MD 2020. My first time drinking this since May 15th of last year. Well, here we go. I bought this one and I bought a dragon fruit flavor. That one's still sitting in the fridge. This one's the best flavored that I know. That, you know, when I used to drink this fairly regularly for YouTube and shit. So. Boy. Yeah, I mean, it's really not all that bad. But, you know, it's Mad Dog. It's a Mad Dog Thursday. You know, it ain't a Monday. I helped popularize Mad Dog Mondays back in the day. But, you know, took a nice break now. I'll drink one of these like once a fucking year. But it's only January 4th, so I got plenty more time to drink another one. I still got another one in the fridge, so. It's just a lot of fucking sugar. I don't even want to think about how much sugar's in these, but I'm sure there's a pretty decent amount of it. But, whatever. Booze. Orange Jubilee, Mad Dog 2020. Get yourself some and get on with your life. Man. I actually didn't have any orange juice this morning. We're out of orange juice. So I had to take my multivitamin with just water. I should have taken it with this. I should have popped one right now with the fucking orange juice. The Mad Dog 2020 Orange Jubilee. But I didn't think to do it, you know. I didn't think to do it. Times like this, I'm pretty glad I live in an apartment. No shovel in the fucking driveway. You know, shit like that. shoveling your steps and walkway. That shit's all done for me because I pay for it, because I live in an establishment that has people, that groundskeepers at work, that do it for me. It's included in the rent. One thing that sucks is my car is across the street there in that lot, because my lot I park in's over to the right here. And I moved it out of there so they could clear off all the spots. But looking at my car now, it is fucking buried. I went up to get a coffee and a breakfast sandwich and some hash browns this morning. And that was it. And I said, fuck that, I ain't going out anywhere else today. I'm stuck in here for the rest of the night. I ain't going nowhere. But got a fridge full of beers. It's about it's at 3:34 p.m. right now. The storm's supposed to taper down a little bit in the next few hours or so. So I wanted to get it while it was still going strong out there. They call it, what the hell do they call it? A winter hurricane, or like a cyclone bomb or something like that. It's something that sounds like fucking horrible. And, you know, and I work outside, but I didn't work today, so I'm very happy. I don't work again until Monday. Yeah, I'm not slamming this or nothing. Never claimed I was. No shotguns with straws like in the old days there. I think back to that shit now and I wonder, how the hell did I even fucking do it? Might go live later, might make a live stream. My wife is here today. She had the day off. She works in the city, so they called her and they said, just work from home. It's too dangerous. Situations are treacherous. So she's actually still technically on the clock right now. I said, I'm gonna go in the bedroom and make a Mad Dog video. Because I'm shit soils. That's who I am. That's what I care about. Shout out to the Golden Walrus. Just putting out 800 clubs like they're fucking nothing. Eating shit, eating pizza and burgers and all different shit. Shout out to the Metal 40 for constantly scumming it. He's always scumming it, folks. Going live. GSHL TV for like a live stream that lasted like 3 straight days or something like that. He went to sleep and still kept the fucking thing on live. That is dedication, motherfuckers. If that's not dedication, I don't know what the fuck is dedication. Follow your own blueprint. You make your blueprint. There is no set blueprint. Your blueprint is your blueprint. You follow your own. My schematic includes malt liquor, ghetto wines, regular beers, anything I fucking want. Hard liquor, doesn't matter. Because your blueprint is your own personal blueprint. Everyone needs to understand that. And that's not going to change. I was actually going to make this video outside on my deck at first. And then I thought, the wind's going to be too much to even hear, so I'll just start off with the opening shot of the fucking Arctic tundra out there. Shout out to the Fishing 40 ounce. Always comments. Always good dude. By the way, all the people that say fuck Florida and Florida's a shithole and blah 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 blah, fuck yourselves. I'd rather be in Florida than dealing with this goddamn shit The Four Seasons. Fuck the Four Seasons. Fuck the Four Seasons. Give me fucking... You know what? Give me the 3 seasons. Give me spring, summer, fall, and skip this garbage. Sorry. I know I'm a New Englander. I lived in New England my whole life. I'll still never like this. I'll still never like this. I get the people that do, you know, but not really. This is horrible. Not this, the weather. This is actually this is better than I was remembering it to be. I hadn't had orange Jubilee flavor in a long time. I went to and of course, shout out to Moses Love 69. I went to a liquor store near a bar we went to near his place, and I went in there and I saw this flavor, which I haven't seen in forever. This is the best flavor of Mad Dog. If you're gonna drink any flavor of Mad Dog, get this. The orange one, the orange Jubilee is the best flavor. In my opinion. But they had this and they had the dragon fruit, and neither of those I had in so long. So I was like, well, fuck it. I buy both bottles, and 3 weeks ago I bought them and saved it for basically a day like today. Not that I knew this was coming 3 weeks ago, but I fucking I'll make a video and I have them in the fridge and I'll drink the orange one because it tastes good. I saw one flavor, it's called Habanero Lime. I've never drank it before. I've never seen it anywhere near me. I'd love to have that flavor though. And I watched this video of these 3 fucking douchebags reviewing it, but they drink like a little sip each, and you pussies drink a fucking bottle each. But they were saying it wasn't bad, and that sounds interesting. If anyone can get Habanero Lime in the 2020, let me know. Wouldn't mind making a trade. And then I saw one that was Coco Loco. Coco Loco in the 2020. That sounds absolutely terrible. I'm not interested in that. But the Habanero Lime one sounds kind of like it would taste like a fucking margarita or something, you know, with some spice to it. That's considering these are pretty much like sugar, like dominated completely. I wouldn't mind one that's like a salty kind of heat flavor, you know. But anyways, we're getting down to the end of this. The other thing that's pretty good about these, as opposed to like something like a Four Loko, which I haven't drank a Four Loko in probably like 3 years. These don't give you fucking heartburn. It's not carbonated. I'm getting no heartburn from this. It's citrusy, but it's not bad. It's not giving me any sort of, you know, reflux. So, anyways, shout outs. Save the Polar Bears 79. You know, all those people that I talked with on the live streams there. I can't remember your names off the bat. This video's probably getting pretty long, so I'm gonna cut it off. The P Glenn, shout out to you. Everyone that watches and comments on my videos, you know, shout out to you. Leave a comment. I'll get you in the next video, whenever that will be. I make videos very sporadically nowadays, so, you know, it's just like when today I'm like, I'm bored. I got a Mad Dog. I might as well do a Mad Dog video. And there you go. Orange Jubilee, Mogan David, 2020. It does actually stand for Mogan David. But it's known on the streets as the Mad Dog, because it's dirt cheap and it gets you fucked up. Anyways. Thanks for checking in with me. That's a long ass video. Shit, I'm sorry about that.